All right, give me 1 second. I gotta set up the stream. Also, actually, we'll talk about it later. Let me set up the stream. Um. Hello Prussian Productions. Hello Constanius. What's up? Just give me 1 second. Tiny second. Oh, how do I do this? 1 second. Time for monophobia? Yes. I'm just trying to advertise in my Discord, or not advertise, announce. And I'm just doing stuff behind the scenes, but I have to show you something. Okay, I think oh no, my chat. Oh, God. I always forget. Give me 1 moment. I'm trying to get chat open, and so I don't have to switch through the screens. I know you guys don't see anything. Just give me 1 moment. But yes, this is monophobia. Hello, Pirate Gaming. Wait. Oh, that's how you disable reactions. Okay. All right, I have chat. All right, now I can show you the screen. So, we have. Okay, I developed the project in such a way that I have like a to-do list. I've always had a to-do list, right? But I had to revise it in my game, because previously I was using Trello. Oh yeah. Oh God, I didn't play the epic music. Some random music. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you hear it. It's fine if you don't. I barely hear it myself. All right, now I hear it. I'm gonna lower it down like that. Okay, so here's the thing. Yeah, this is the Guy Lala video. That's right. Sneaky snitch moment. Okay, so I've always had a to-do list, but I had to revise it. So now everything is on Git, even though this is a private project. Doesn't matter. Look how I made it. So I have these to-do list tasks over here. You can look at them. It doesn't really matter, as I'm not spoiling the actual game. This is kind of like the functionality, which is the main point. Then everything here is in progress. The ones that are labeled with this icon is me. And whenever I'm done with a project, I just put it over here. I just literally drag it. Next, we have priorities. So usually the things on the top have the highest priority, so they have the highest chance of being actually worked on, okay? Then, my items are just things that I selected for myself that I will work on, for sure. Iterations, okay, so this is a bit unbalanced. I just added this to literally today, which is kind of like, I say to myself, okay, by the 19th May, I finish these 2 tasks. Then I have these 3 tasks by the 31st May, and then everything in June, all of these like 8 tasks over here, which is basically what's happening. And then I plan things for July, for August. The reason why I did this, I guess it does motivate you a little bit to finish some things on time, because I just want to make things a bit organized, if that makes any sense. And the roadmap is literally just the previous tab, except you can see right here visually like what tasks I had, or not had, but like what I have right now. And it used to show everything, like every single like task that I did, but I hid those. So now I only see tasks that have to be done. So I have to finish tab container and light switch update. Light switch update, okay. if you guys don't know what's happening, or early, at least I know two viewers know. Oh, by the way, yeah, happy birthday, Pyro. All right, so the thing that I'm gonna do right now is these two things. Okay, so we're gonna update the light switches, which I've done some things with it. It's pretty bad. It's a pretty bad code, but it's not as bad as it seems. But that's okay. Oh, sorry, that's a bit too loud. Oh, actually, I'm gonna lower everything. Okay, why am I doing this? I can just, yeah. I updated the UI a little bit, so this, I mean, I'm not gonna go over like what I did. I want to make a video, because I think that would show much better what I did. But for now, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just show you guys what I did for light switches only. So this light switch will only turn off after actually a fraction of a second. So you see, like I'm turning it on, but then it turns off after a some time, so 0.2 seconds, because this light switch, it has a timer length of 0.2 and it has use timer as a boolean. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do next. So I mean that's what I did. That's the first task done, right? The second task is this one. So have a broken state. So if you interact with the light switch, it wouldn't work. Nothing would work. So that's the next task, and this is how we're gonna do it. So Among Us, yeah, literally Among Us, yes. Added an Among Us plushie. Here's the closest thing I added. Come here, look at this. This is the closest thing I added. Yeah, I also added this cake. But anyway, I basically changed how I build levels. So I'm gonna use like a grid map, so these blocks to build like buildings and stuff. They won't be this thick, like the walls won't be this thick, but it was basically a test because yeah. Also, the reason why everything is dark here is because of the sun. I made the sun rotate, and whenever the sun rotates, you see how the light passes through. So it like makes it realistic. Same with like when it's dark. So you see like how the light goes through and stuff. It's kind of cool. So, portal reference. What? Yeah, it's yeah, portal reference. The one bad thing about blocks, I'm not sure if Godot like. Okay, so if I enter a block, you see how you still see the sides, like. I don't know how to explain it, but like, pretty much I think it's using some unnecessary geometry. I mean, it's still performant. You see 500 FPS, it's pretty good, but I'm not sure if the engine is hiding them automatically when I'm looking at the blocks like this. But I think they are, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Anyway, this is the closest thing to the Among Us plushie. You can do this, I guess. And then look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh. Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh. Yeah. It's so good. The physics are amazing. But seriously. With these beds, by the way. Oh yeah, the music is not loud at all. Let me just make it louder. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty fire, yes. Anyway. Next with these beds, I had beds before. I even modeled beds before. Now the only main thing with the beds is that like every time I add in a bed, there would be always a pillow, so I don't have to add in myself a pillow every time. But the problem with that is whenever I add a bed, you see it, this one, it would always put pillows here. And then the pillows would be teleported over there. So that's kind of inconvenient. I need to see like how I can like fix that. But it does work. Like whenever let's say I put a new bed right now. So I'm gonna put a new bed. This is literally it. And I save. And Yeah, you see, like, it spawns like a pill over here just because I put a bed there. So I don't know how to... I need to do something about that or something. I don't know. Like, it's either... the reason why I'm doing that... with the pill spawning is because whenever the player picks up an object, I think it uses a local position instead of global, which is probably bad. Hello, Diaz. So I need to change the picking up mechanic very soon. Alright, so actually let's start working on this game. So here's the thing. As I said, have a broken state with the light switch. So when I press a light switch, nothing would happen. So I would use export var is broken. Default would be false. So if it's... So when you spawn a new light switch, it's not broken, but you can change it in the editor. So I think this would be pretty easy, honestly. So let's just go to the ray. Okay, I gotta change all this code. So I have this raycast, which is tied to the player. It's checking group called light switch, and whenever it finds that group, it performs some functions. But like this is still pretty bad. I need to change everything here. It's fine. We'll fix it later. For now, I do want to see if this works. So if this is false, so if the light switch is not broken, I think there's a better way to tab everything, but I'm lazy. So if the light switch is not broken, yeah. Okay, let's see. Where is it? 3D view. And light switch. Now you're broken. This game is gonna make $100 billion. That's right. That's correct. Okay, let's see if the light switch works. You see, it doesn't work. But the problem is, I do want to have it so that like you switch the light. So like, I mean, I don't want to completely disable it. So maybe this is not the best approach. Even though I'm getting the right idea, so that you know, that works, I guess. So here's the thing. I'm going to actually revert this. I'm gonna revert this because I don't think that's it, and we're gonna have a switch, and I think this is going to be okay. So if I change this, if no, like this. Okay, if is broken equals false. I think this would work way better, because at least now you can switch the light. Yeah, you see, it doesn't work. Like, now I can interact with the switch, but nothing happens to the light because it's broken. What's kind of weird is that it actually goes back automatically. Like, the switch goes back automatically, which I didn't intend to do. It's technically a bug, but I do like it. So should I leave it? Should I make it so that like the switch goes back? Because I'm not pressing the switch twice. It's just I'm pressing it once. It just goes back twice, which is a bug, but I can leave it. I like it. But game developers, when they're making a 3D horror game, be like, yeah, yes. Your friend learns Russian? Nice. Actually, I also have a friend who learns Russian. Okay. Oh wait, I see why it's going back, because I'm using the timer. Oh my god. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright. So the reason why the switch went back is because of the timer. That makes more sense. Okay. Well, in that case, should I leave that? I mean, it's broken. Add something for the beta Minecraft series into the game as an Easter egg. We need to know what should be added. We need to know. Also, I did add languages, and there's Russian, but like I didn't translate it properly. It's literally copying Serbian, which is not accurate. Also, languages are so unfinished. Everything is unfinished in this game. Like, even look, this entire menu you see right now will be completely changed, by the way. Like, forget this menu. So because I have the tab container rewrite later, which will be added. I don't know if I want to do random flickering right now. I think this is good enough. I think I do want to work on the UI now. Wait, why is it not 2 out of 3? I checked this. Okay, well, it's broken. Why Serbian in Latin alphabet? Because there's Latin and Cyrillic in Serbian. We have both scripts. That's why. I mean, okay, so Cyrillic in Serbian is more used if you're like writing something down in like a notebook or whatever. But if people would use like chatting apps or something like that, they would write it in Latin. It's also probably more convenient if you're talking to foreigners or something like that. I mean, if you were gonna learn a similar language to Serbian, so like Croatian or maybe Montenegro, and actually not Montenegro, it's the same language. I meant Bosnian and Croatian. They do not have Cyrillic, which gives Serbia the Serbian language a bit of an advantage, because you can at some point maybe learn Russian and you can know some Cyrillic letters. I know Cyrillic letters, and I can understand some things in Russian. I mean, it's a Slavic language, but you know, I mean, it's not hard. It really is. It's literally like the very first thing you learn if you're trying to learn Serbian. I can't give you guys good advice on how to learn Serbian, but because I'm not great at it myself, even. Like I always make mistakes, like because grammar is just I'm not terrible, but like if I were gonna explain grammar to someone, it's just no. No thank you. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, that's done, I guess. Do I want random flickering on you? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. Oh yeah, I made this parkour, by the way. So like, so you can like jump around and stuff. Yeah, this is Minecraft 2, guys. Oh, well. Crazy, isn't it? This is the new 2.0 update. That's right. Be careful, Notch. I'm coming for you, bro. Anyway. Back to this. So... Alright, I'm gonna act flickering. I'm not gonna be lazy, guys. Export var is flickering. False. I do gotta change the light switch node myself. So we're gonna have another node timer, and this one is going to be a flickering timer. Flicker timer. Okay, so this flicker timer is going to have a random wait time between 0.1. Okay, at least actually you're gonna define it yourself. So you're gonna have like export range. Oh damn, I actually never saw how many there are. Oh, you have a node path? Oh my god, that would be like amazing if I knew that before. Oh well, too bad I didn't. Export range, we're gonna have it between 0.01. Oh, screw it. You know what? Yeah, this is fine. Max flicker time, I guess. And this would be... Actually, I don't need this. Default would be 1. let's make it 10, fine. But default would be 1. So like if you were to let me go to the test items. I have the scene. If I were to go into the scene, now I have the slider over here, max flicker time, and I can change it between 0 and 1, 0 and 10. I can add a description. How do I add a description to these? That's cool. How do I add description? Oh wait, Godot. Okay, this is awesome about Godot. That's like it makes like a documentation based on your like game. It says there's no currently description for this property. I don't know how to add descriptions. I have no freaking clue. Doesn't matter. Alright. I may have to worry about that later. Doesn't matter. So, okay, we have max flicker time. And this timer. So if is flickering is true. Let me see where it is. Okay. Okay. If is flickering equals true, we're gonna have is on equals is on. So this is going to change the switch light. If I were to save this and run it right now, I think it would be epilepsy right now. I think. I don't know. Let's see. I think it's gonna be epilepsy. Or no? I guess not. Oh wait, I didn't enable. Uh-oh. Now it's gonna be epilepsy. No? Oh yeah, it is. There it is. Yeah, I'm not stupid. I know what my code does. But yeah, now we get autism. Alright. Obviously there needs to be a timer. Oh sorry, if you have actually have epilepsy. No, obviously there needs to be a timer. Whenever it's flickering. So I think it's gonna be like this. So flicker timer. Actually, I kinda don't like this as well. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like this up here. I need to change this. False. Else, and then it would the light switch work if it is flickering. So basically, so if it's not broken and if it's not flickering, run the normal code. The reason why I don't like the older code is because, I mean, when the light is flickering, it still works. It's just that like it just flickers when it's turned on. But my code was just turning it on and off, which is not realistic. So instead, I do want to modify this line instead. So it would start up flicker timer. So I'm gonna add the flicker timer here. That's fine. Flicker timer, and we're going to start it up. But I don't know, like this is in the process, so I don't know if it's gonna break anything. I hope not. Hope it doesn't break anything. I don't know. It's gonna be a one shot. Actually, why would it be a one shot? Yeah, it should be one shot, I think. I don't know if you can run this multiple times. We'll see. And then timeout. So if on flicker timer timeout, it would hide or show. So if light switch is visible. Oh wait, what? Light switch. Wait, didn't probably. No, it's light switch. Is there visible here? No. Why am I using brackets? I'm sorry. I'm programming in C++ and okay. I think this would work. I think. I don't know if you need brackets for this. Oh, I mean, we'll see if the game will crash or not. So if it's visible and not visible or disabled, is there disabled? I think there's disabled. Let's say no. The hell, am I stupid? Let's just do visible. Screw it. If it's visible, hide. Not if not visible, show. And this would run this function, but this only runs if you turned on the light switch, right? Otherwise, else flicker timer stop. So I know this would work, but I don't know if this if statement works. One person watching, that's fine. That's fine. That's because I'm not reading chat. Okay, oh no, this doesn't work. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can fix this. Visibility. Visible. Yeah, it's visible, you see? But I don't know if I need to use this. Maybe without the brackets, maybe that's why it's broken. Oops, I ran the wrong thing. Maybe without the brackets? Let's see. Ah, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, I think this is correct, but alright. I do want to see if maybe this doesn't launch properly, you know? Which is an issue. Which is an issue. So here's the thing. I'm gonna go back to my raycast and if CP is flickering, did I put that in? Is true. CP flicker timer start. I think this would work much better. Am I looking at it? Brain decided a green screen and got 200 likes and 7k views because of algorithm. Good job. Most of my videos are Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash is pretty good. They just, I think the dev released 2.2. I mean, I did play it. What the hell am I talking about? I played it on my stream. Oh, is flickering is combined, so let's just not make that mistake. So is flickering is like this. All right. I think this would work better. Better in a way that, in a sense that, I don't know why this is always turned on. Yes, please. Turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on. Please, please, please. Or actually, no. Is it only like, yeah, it's only, problem is that like it only launches once, okay? So, we're gonna go back to the, light switch. light switch, not that light switch, I meant this one. The light switch timer, and we're gonna disable one shot. And this would make it loopable. Alright, now it's on. Yes! But you see, like, the problem is that, like, it always flickers every second because the wait time is 1 second. But I've added a new function called max flicker time. So this flicker time is going to be changed by random. So this is going to be the maximum time that it changes. Since I have this on flicker timeout, it would always change the wait time, no matter what it is. So we're gonna have a flicker timer dot wait time equals, and I forgot how to do RNG in this in Godot. I think it's like rand I range from int to int. I don't like ints. I do want to use f's. Yes, f's are good. F's mean floats. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I think this is how you do it. But let's see. Maybe you will get epilepsy. Maybe you won't. It's still 1 second, or maybe it's not. It's still 1 second. Maybe I'm stupid. Wait. Yeah, it's always 1 second. Why is it always 1 second? Man. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's always like one number. It's not randomizing it, isn't it? Randomize. Yes, randomize. I didn't randomize it. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got this, boys. We got this. Watch. Watch. Oh, come on. Am I this unlucky? I'm so unlucky right now. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna force you to be faster. Really? Really? Wow. It's not manipulating the... Why am I talking like Russian? It's not manipulating the flicker timer for some reason. So this wait time is not being changed. I don't know why. It's weird. So if I change this to 0.1, it would actually flicker faster. Right? It will always flicker faster. You see? So this would be like, okay. It's like a party. Wait. Oh, I can change the colors in this. Wait, I'm not gonna mess with that. But I don't want this flicker, I just want it to be random. That's the thing. I don't know why it's not changing the right way. Randomize doesn't seem to do it. Oh wait, I'm using double equals. Oh, I'm gonna... I'm so stupid, guys. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Now it works, right? Okay, it's a bit too much, but I think it works now, because when I change this to 1 second... Yeah, it's random. Yeah, this is what I want. Yes. Okay. There we go, now it works. This is flickering between 0 seconds and 1 second. On random. But the thing is, like, if you're turning off the switch light, or the light switch, it should turn off. That's the thing, so it doesn't turn off. We're gonna have false to just hide the switch. Maybe I don't need this. Yeah, I don't need this. Do I? Or actually I do. Yeah, I do. Wait, I don't I? Okay, no, I don't need this. Come on. Raycast. I know you guys don't understand what I'm talking about. It's okay. It's completely fine. It's completely fine. CP light switch, not CO, CP. What does CP stand for? Don't ask. Do not. Actually, you can ask. Doesn't matter. It's not sus. Okay, now it should be okay. Yeah, now it's turned off, and now when you turn it on, yeah. But it should also like show the light switch, doesn't it? Right? So like show, right? It should show the light switch and start the flickering, because of reasons. Okay, let me see. So if you turn it off, turn it on. Okay, there we go. Yay! I think there's a better way to do this, but I don't care. We actually did flickering. Wow, that's crazy. And we're going to go to the to-do list, and we're gonna put this over here. Done. You guys, we did it, guys. We did it. We completed one of the issues. It's simply incredible. We did an incredible thing, guys. Wait. Oh, this automatically like closes it? I didn't know that. That's cool. I did not even close the issue. It actually closed the issue. Oh, damn, that's cool. Because I put it on done. Okay. I thought I was gonna like, I had to like commit my changes and, okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't have to, close the issue myself. Oh, shit. Oh, well, that's bad. I thought I changed the repositories. It's fine. I guess you know some secret lore over there. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Oh, why doesn't it? Okay, there it is. Okay, so if you don't know what this is, I mean, I've showed this a million times, but for new viewers, this is pretty much Git. I can see all my changes over here, and I would just say that I updated light switches. I think this is fine. So 27, it's 28, 26. Which one is it? Tell. 20, 20, 20, 20. It's 26. Oh, it doesn't appear because I closed it. Okay, 26. What did I do, guys? What did I do? I did all of this, right? Time, blah, 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 blah. And this is not optional anymore. I also did additional things. So I just changed the pillow to have a bounce. Okay, so pillows now have a bounce, and that's it. Alright, that's the only thing I did. Committing means I am putting this on the cloud. And this is, I need to fix this code, but you know, this will do for now. I will refactor it later. I think I mean, it works, so it works pretty well, but I will change this because this, I know, like, this all needs to be in a function or in a better system, but this will work right now. Is the game in early access on Steam? No, but it will be. But the only way to playtest this right now is if you head to Steam. Actually, I will show you right now. Let me go to my Steam. If you go here, this is my game, by the way. This is the only way you can playtest it right now. There will be other means, because I'm planning to do a devlog, but this is the earliest way to play my game. Is if you go to properties, if you go to betas, and if you have this one. I don't know what's the code. I need to see it again. Oh my god. I put like an update. This one, yeah. Okay, just give me 1 second. Oh, TCC isn't scary. Okay, that's the code. So if you write TCC isn't scary here, and if you click check code, you would have the beta. Keep in mind that this version on Steam is an older version. I have to I'm updating the playtest monthly, and when you opt, it would change and it would be like 500 megabytes or something. Yeah, 500 megabytes. I don't want to download that right now because I'm streaming, but I mean, it's not a problem, but like, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can get access. Yes, you have to buy the game, which is ironic, since this game is open source right now, but yeah, that's the only way right now. But I'll make it better later. It's just not ready. So it's kind of like, if you want super duper early access, that's just the only way right now. I will set up an itch.io page later, and I'll set that up later, everything, so that's okay. So anyway, we have a last task. So the last task we have today is wait, let me go to my iterations. So you see, like this one, settings tab container rewrite, and it says on the top you would have all the settings, graphics, audio, languages. So what do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is that the current settings look like this, okay? It's not bad in any way. So it looks like this. So you have like a list of buttons. When you click a button, you go to that menu basically. It has a nice scroll. I'm not changing any of this. What I'm changing is how you access these menus, right? So instead of these buttons over here, how about like a navigation bar at the top? So you would have like graphics over here, and then you would have audio, and all of the options over here would change depending on what you clicked up above, right? Which also removes this text up here. So this label is gone. So settings will be gone. Instead, you would have all of these buttons on the top, and when you click them, you would go to these menus, and you would always have like back and apply and save on the top, which saves nodes, and there would be less objects and would be more cluttered, and I think it would look nicer in general. But I've never added a tab container, or what is it called? Tab container, yes. I never added a tab container in my life. So this is the main option. Monitor icon to go graphics. I'm not thinking of icons, but I will add icons in the future, yes. I'm just not thinking of icons. The only icons that exist is in audio, like you have like these speaker icons, and for the mouse, that's the only ones. But yeah, there's keybinds. Keybinds will be added. I mean, there are keybinds, but you can't change them. The reason why is because you have keyboard controls and controller controls, and you also have mobile controls, because I'm looking to put this game on Android, but I have to balance how all of this works. So this is why this is not finished. I have no idea how you can manipulate input maps in Godot, so we'll see about that later. But for now, I do want to just change the UI, so like I don't have to change it later, basically. Not on iOS? No, because Apple sucks. Same with macOS. I don't know if it's gonna be on macOS. But I do plan on doing something. Actually, depends. It depends how much the project is supported. I may release a Kickstarter. We'll see. I may do it, but I do need good marketing, and I don't have marketing at all. So right now, my streams are the best marketing, which isn't good because I did nothing except showing you guys what I'm doing. But I'm planning to do devlogs on this game, which hopefully will boost like player retention maybe, and interest. I'm hoping so. I really hope people realize that this could be a golden gem. But I'm not thinking about that right now, so yeah. To people watching the marketing, that's right. That's right. We're making changes, boys. Alright, so I did, yeah, I did commit, or I didn't push it, oops. Have to push it, guys. Oh, you guys don't see the thing at the top, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let's clean all these tabs because they're really useless. So close all tabs, close them, yeah, that's right. And then we're gonna go to settings. Settings menu. And all of these settings, so this is how the settings menu looks like, right? The reason why it says menu settings up here is because the game is using languages. It has like its own language system, and it's basically using codes. By the way, for translations, if anyone wants to help, you can join my translation server, but I didn't set up translations for this game for now. Is the game almost done? No, no. It's so not done. This is the only gameplay. So you start in this house, you leave your room, I guess. You go to the kitchen, which nothing is furnished. So I have to add furniture and everything, and like these lamps. I didn't make those lamps, so I have to like remodel this. But I did remodel the door, for example, and the light switches, and just leave. Yeah, that's the entire game pretty much. But I'm just adding functionality. It's not finished. So yeah. So I'm still working on it. Also, the flying is the new thing I added, and you can no clip. You can also change the light of day, so now it's day, and it's very happy right now. Look at that. It's very bright. So you can do that in real time, but that's just cheating, I guess. Showcase the drinking aspect in the game. Okay, all right. I did change it a little bit actually, because drinking in the game. I would just showcase it really quickly. I don't want to like bother you guys with this, but you have alcohol in the game. You also have smoking, and basically you can get drunk in the game. But drunkenness depends on two factors. It depends how much alcohol a bottle has, and it also depends on how much liters of alcohol it has. So if you drink alcohol, so this is beer, 5% alcohol, 0.5 liters, which is nothing, right? You get free drunkenness, which I'm moving a little bit, but it's nothing bad. I can still like control my character, which is normal. But if I drink this a lot, I do get a bit drunk. 40 free drunkenness, right? Which is still not bad. It's pretty good. I can still do stuff. I can still move. It's just like moving on its own. But like you have this alcohol, which is 25%, and this is okay. Well, this is not too realistic. I gotta change it. But it depends like how much alcohol you've consumed. When you're really drunk like this, you lose health, you're dying, and your drunkenness is just skyrocketing. But I don't. This is not too realistic, so I do gotta change it a little bit. Anyway, about alcohol too, you can throw bottles and they can break. You can also walk through bottles and you lose health if you do that because of the particles. Like hurt your feet in a way, but you do heal up quickly anyway. Anyway, about cigares. Anyway, the point of the alcohol and stuff. Yeah, the shards of glass, yes. The point of alcohol and smoking and cigarettes is that there's a stress system in the game. You see my stress is 0.3 on the corner, you see up here? So that's my stress level. And the reason why I have a lot of stress right now is because I just stood on like 20 bottles of beer and my character is just panicking right now. So when stress is up, sanity goes down. So you see like when I'm playing, my sanity is going down, 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 and sanity is actually what matters because it's actually showcasing the player's mental health in a way. So it's like its own how do I explain this? Mental health. Well, let's just say mental health, right? But if you smoke cigars, you see my stress goes from 0.3 to 0.1, which is good, but it needs to be below 0. So when it's below 0, that means sanity goes up again. So when I smoke again, my sanity is now, my stress is minus 0.1, which is good because my sanity will go up right now. And sanity will also like modify things in the game. It will basically make your character insane if your sanity is really low. Anyway, what happens if you smoke a lot? So if you smoke a lot, it has like a bigger side effect. So there's a small and big side effect, okay? With alcohol, a small side effect is basically you move, right? Like very slightly. But a big side effect is you are dying because of alcohol poisoning, right? Same with cigars. So like cigars, if you smoke cigars, your stamina is worse. So if you run, you run for a much shorter time. And also if you jump, you lose more stamina. But if you smoke a lot, your lungs are just screwed up. So you don't get necessarily cancer, just that like you see my character says I can't breathe, and my health goes down because the health regen is -2, and that's happening because of the smoke and because of how much I've smoked. And yeah, even though like I just finished smoking, my lungs are basically fucked. So that's why I'm dying in this game, even though nothing is happening. All right. Last words before leaving Obama. All right. Also, like, yeah, I literally can't do anything. So even if I drink a lot of water, nothing will save me because you just screwed yourself up. It's just over. Hello, Upright Gaming. So this guy's dead, and also the stamina doesn't even recover anymore. Yeah, I changed the death screen. Now it has the go back button, which doesn't do anything. I mean, it does, but like, yeah. Also, I mean, when you die right now, it would just respawn you to the current scene. Bum 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 ba-da-da-da. Boom. Stress 0.6. All right. Let's just not waste time because you guys saw what I'm doing. All right, so let's add a tab container. I've never added this in my life, so I don't know what's happening. I don't know how to do this yet. Gonna have tab alignment center. Where is my tab thing? Oh my god, why is this all? Okay. Okay, I think this is a oh, there it is. All right, so I don't want to have a layout full rect. I don't like the background, but that's okay. How do I add new tabs? How do I add new tabs? Do I just add like buttons? Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine. This I have Git, so it's not like that big of a deal. I think you added like this, maybe. Oh yeah. Yes. So I don't need this anymore. Okay, this is perfect. But I don't like the tab containers. The tab container having this. I think that's the problem with the theme I'm having. Like a way to disable that. Alright, we'll figure it out. It's okay. Alright, so when I play the game. Oh no. We're gonna crash the entire game. Alright, so let me change a couple of things. So it's now main settings. Okay, and it's no longer this is fine. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't want the back button to be there, right? So we're gonna have to remove this. Oh god. Yeah. I don't know why it's not translating. Add crystal meth to the game. Also, this settings text is really annoying. I do have to remove it though. Do you have to remove it? I don't need you anymore. Goodbye. And now you're gonna have errors everywhere. Because I just removed node. That's kind of important. It's okay. This was hard coded anyway. It's terrible. Okay, this is fine. What the hell? Settings, title text. Settings, title text. Bam. No longer exists. Never existed. But why is there... Oh, what? Wait. That's funny. Wait, the entire button is back. Like, this is just a... Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's terrible. God. Okay, how do I gotta look this up. Oh, jeez. Okay, let me see if I can make it so that, like, the menu translate. 5 people watching. Hi. Hello. Is it really 5 people? I only see 2 people. 3, yeah. It's fine. It's fine. So I don't want to really have it to show graphic settings. I do want to have it show... where was it? Settings. Settings menu. Okay, I don't know if this will work. But if I change this to... menu graphics. I don't know if this... I don't know if Godot will translate... Wait, I should do menu audio. Menu audio. Menu input. Menu input. Because for some reason Godot uses node names to change the text up here. Doesn't change right now, but we'll fix it. Menu languages. Menu languages. Menu other. Is that other? I don't know, I forgot. Is that other? It's other, okay. Save, reload. I don't know if it... Please translate, otherwise I will have a... Yes, it translates. You see that the graphics is translated. All of these aren't. Because... all these things aren't translated. Because they're not. But wait. What do I do? Like, do I just, like, put this under? Like, how do I make this work? How do I display graphics? Like, the graphics options. Wait a sec. Oh, God. Oh, it's so over, guys. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Because, like, okay, these are buttons, but... Wait, let me test something. Just give me 1 second. Test. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. So I don't need buttons, I just need, like, a node. Okay. Okay, that makes more sense. Alright. So I don't... Okay. Does donating count for Minecraft? Yes, it does. For anything. It does. Alright, so menu graphics. Not 2. Damn it. So if I enable this. Okay, I do have to change everything pretty much, so. Oh, God. Yeah, all of this here needs to be changed. So. Alright, it's fine. I can just Control F. Or Control Shift F? Yeah, Control... I don't want to change everything. I mean, it's fine. Find this. Replace. It's only here, right? Yes. Replace with this. Replace all. No undo. Resave. Nothing happened. Did I change everything? I didn't change anything. Can you change this? Yeah, okay, but I'll do it again. Replace this. No undo. Reload. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So hopefully this would... Okay, let me remove this. Hopefully this... Okay, this requires actually less code, which is surprising. Less code is good. I mean, depends on the situation, but like... I'm removing unnecessary code, guys. That's great. On button graphics, goodbye, brother. Goodbye, bro. And click and click and click. Yes. But it's really shit. I mean, it does work, guys, right? Come on, like, yeah. I mean, this actually looks pretty good. Doesn't it? It's just that, like, there's a back button here. I can't go back here, can you? Oh, wow. Envoy, this is still here. Oh, I didn't remove it, actually. Okay. You can say it works. It works. But okay, let me go back, actually. I do need to change the margin. Oh god, no, I don't want to start the game. Wait, does it work here? Yeah, it does, I see. Let me go back. I do wanna change the UI of this. I can't really have two screens at once, unfortunately. Maybe I can. Can I? What is this? Can I? Yes, yes? No, I don't need this. No, don't need you. I want... Okay. It's fine. Usually I'd do something about that, but it's okay. Alright, so I do want to have it on my screen from the other side. You guys won't be able to see what I'm doing, but maybe you will from here. But if I... Oh, no, that's bad. Okay. So I don't want to have the top part. Okay. The top part. And then... top buttons. Alright. So here's how it looks like. Isn't that great? So you have like... back, apply. And yeah. Everything is here in one menu. But this back button would actually, instead of, you know, hiding everything, it would pretty much return you to the main menu, right? Looks good. It looks good. Thank you very much. Thank you. So here's the thing. This back graphics. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm saving even more code. That's amazing. I gotta remove this script, and oh my god, I'm removing so much code, which is great. Less code is good. Alright, so I'm disconnecting you because I don't need you anymore, but I will run this code. Actually, no, what am I doing? On back button pressed is the new. Come on. I think this would work if okay, I think this would turn me back to the main menu, right? Yes. Okay. Nice. And this would always work. So if I change something, apply. Ooh. Oh yeah, the lightning is... Alright. Nice. I like this. Okay. And now I have to change all this. Okay. Alright, now pretty much doing the same thing for this. No, I'm gonna do this 4 times basically, but it's fun. You guys like watching this? I like it. Menu audio. Menu audio. Okay, oh wait. it's auto renaming stuff for me. Let me put 2 so I don't have to think about this. So input, menu, input. So these are actual menus. So menu, languages. Menu, other. Okay. save it. It's gonna crash the game if I run it, so I'm gonna not do that, and I will change all of this. So, audio, input, languages, and other. Okay. Got that? Come on, please. Okay, thank you. What is this again? Let me remember. Oh, okay. So I see. So I'm just gonna have audio and input for this. So input. I'm sorry if you guys don't understand. It's fine. I'm basically doing the same thing that I did for graphics since I know it works. Thankfully I did comment. Oh god, I just realized there is no back button for... How about I use... Well, I do have this back button. Oh, it's hidden though. Alright, this is because it's just all the way there. So what if I have this button instead of there? But it's bad, it's gonna be really terrible, isn't it? And I can have custom and then yeah. No, I'll have this hidden for now. I'll have this hidden for now. It's fine. And escape key for back. Okay, that's pretty good too. That's pretty good. We can have that as well. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Oh my god. Now I'm thinking of more ideas because like I could add like a pop-up message. Okay, so when you I think why am I doing this? It's gonna crash obviously. But like when you change settings, it would ask you to apply and save. So let's say if you didn't apply, maybe like a pop-up message would appear that you didn't like save everything or something. That would be pretty cool, but yeah. All right. Let me see. So it would like run this if you accepted the apply and save, and these functions are going to the settings global script. I mean, it's basically changing everything there. All right, let me replace all of this then. So this is going to be replaced. Replace with not menu graphics, audio. I think this is all fine. Replace all. Reload. There we go. And then do the same for input. So input, replace. Input. Replace all. Reload. Save. Wait, I don't have it for languages. I guess not. I thought I did. Anyway. Other. Replace. Other. Uppercase, okay. Replace all, reload, okay. I think the game would not crash anymore. Please don't crash. Yeah, okay. Alright, this is how it looks like now. Yeah? You see, like, the problem is that these buttons are not... Yeah, everything is just screwed up. So that's fine, we'll fix it. I'll pretty much just copy the settings from here. Alright, I'm gonna use snipping tool, because I'm lazy to remember these values over here. So for the top buttons for each setting, it's it's pretty much 0, 145, and 157. All right. So that's pretty much for every single menu that has top buttons. But yeah, your suggestion for escape will be added. Thank you. Yes. 0, 157. I think I'd have a better way to do the top buttons, but this will do for now. 0, 145, 57. Other. And this is the final one. Okay. 0, 45. Wait, right. Oh wait, I changed the wrong setting. 57. Okay, so now I do want to change the margin. Yeah, margin has changed, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so I think it's gonna be a bit difficult because it's not the same. So this is for graphics. It's not the same for every setting because I believe languages are a bit different. But you see, like the back and apply, you see how they're on the same like place. But that's because I just did the changes over there. Which is the reason why the buttons are in the same place. It's just that like I have to put the margin below these buttons, and that's why I can't click them. Like you see, this setting is obstructing this button. I can't click it, right? It has to be shrunk. So I'm gonna do that right now. So we're gonna go to the audio and margin. So we're gonna change it 0, 145 with 0.818. Put them at the bottom. Oh, this is a problem. You see, like this is not good. I think this is too low, isn't it? You put it like maybe 0.9 was fine. Maybe I don't have to change the bottom. How about I just change the top? Yeah. No, I think the top is fine. I think the top is fine. It's just that like I just want to like have I don't know how to explain it, but I just want to have a consistent UI. I think the bottom would be a bit of a mess. I think at the top it's fine. So it would always be here. These options would always be here, which is always the case for every setting. It's just that like the problem is with these buttons is that they're always different nodes. I don't know if you understand Godot, but like they're different nodes. So this is different. This is different. Margins should be different because they're different settings, but these are the same. They just do the same thing. So I need to change that later. It's fine. Completely fine. Okay, let me just close paint. It's okay. All right. Let me do this quickly. So, what did I do? Bottom one. No, it's wrong. Bottom 09. No, I just did the top, didn't I? Yeah, just the top. Anchor top bomb save. Languages. Point. No, wait. Okay, yeah, this is a bit diff. No, it's not. I'm lying. All right. Top. I think this is okay. Yeah. You see? So this is what I want to do. Yes. This is okay. This actually works perfectly. The problem is that, like, you see, like, this back button in the graphics tab returns you to the main menu, but this one doesn't. Because it's different. That's an issue. So I just can't, the thing is, like, okay, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna, put this, each box container at the top. It's probably gonna ruin things, isn't it? Did it ruin things? Probably not. Oh, it's like at the back of the... So it should be on the front. Right? Oh, I fixed it. Okay, that's great. Alright, I fixed it. That's great. And now I can just remove all of this. Hopefully that will not crash the game. Maybe it will. I think it will, because I need to remove some... Yeah, it's pretty good. Now I have way less notes here, and I think I can remove all of these. I'm just gonna remove all the code though. It's like remove all of this because disconnect it. Remove this code. Yeah, I don't need any of this. Amazing! Wow. Though that's what kids call code refactoring these days. There we go. Disconnect, please. Disconnect. There we go. Nice. And it does not crash. I think this, yeah, this is exactly the same. So yeah. Yeah, apply and save works. You see, like it just like started my game because it was changing settings. Yeah, you can like move your mouse up here, like up and down. This. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove all of these buttons. Save, and now look how clean this is. This is amazing, man. Oh crap. Why do you crash? Oh, because you're different buttons. Oh, more code to clean, I guess. Also this back button over here, I'm just gonna remove it because I don't need it anymore. Actually, maybe I do. I mean, okay, I'm gonna disconnect this, but I'm not gonna remove the code. So I'm gonna just delete this node, and what crashed the game? Actually, it's this. Yeah, this crashed the game because this does not exist anymore. So I'm just going to go up here, and yeah, apply and save will be. I mean, it has a new path. Apply and save button. And it's literally a new path. And oh, this is what the hell? Wait, I don't know what kind of code this is, but it's fine. Isn't this a boolean? It's a boolean, isn't it? Why not do this? Hell? Man. Sometimes I look at my code and I'm like, what the hell is wrong with me? I think this is fine. Yeah, that just works. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, so I do want to fix the top here. I just don't want it to always say like menu audio. So to fix that, or actually, let me hide the screen a little bit, just in case I don't show like code that is sensitive. I'll bring it back. Just give me one moment, because I will change languages now. Oops, sorry about that noise. Very sorry. Core languages. Wait, how do I? Oh, it's actually this, isn't it? Crap, I just... Wait. I think this is okay. Yeah, okay. I'll bring it back. Give me 1 second. There it is. Okay, so this file is basically all of the translations. So you see already the menu graphics will be basically replaced by whatever. It's gonna replace the string with the CSV file. Whenever I change the CSV file, Godot will automatically recompile the language files. Yeah, the reason why the CSV file, I didn't open the CSV file in Excel because UTF-8 is not working, and also it looks a bit nicer for me this way. Let me bring chat because chat is gone. Okay, so I really don't have to like translate right now. I'm just gonna put audio. Man, I'm so stupid. Input language. Did I put language? Languages and other. Okay. Okay. Audio. Input. So the blue text is supposed to be English. All the other ones are in other languages. It's really nothing special. I just wanted to have some like decent system early on. I mean, this is how you use languages in Godot. What's funny is that like whenever I use the Game Maker, I had to make my own language system, but Godot has it itself, which is great. I don't have to screw with that, so that's amazing. Also, I'm putting numbers here because well, I should put numbers everywhere, really. So it's later translated. Oh yeah. Okay. 10. Okay. Alright, so this is correctly translating stuff, and then whenever I add a new language, it will be just, yeah, it will just appear here. Okay, I think this would correctly... Oh, I gotta go. Okay, so yeah. I think this would correctly work. I think. Okay, I did remove all the labels, and I put all the settings on the top, so I will check that, and officially, I have done my to-do list, so put the settings tab right. Oh, amazing! I think it actually automatically closes the issue, right? Yes. Oh, amazing! Wow, I'm so good. I'm so proud of myself, guys. And you see, I finished for the current iteration, which doesn't really matter. I just want to put that out there, I guess. That's done. And all the other ones are in progress. Not right now. Maybe I will end the stream, but we'll see. We'll see if people come here and are interested. I did not commit yet. I'll be committing the changes very soon. I just wanted to check if there's any other bloated code. So like sometimes I do not like these random spaces. That's probably because I removed some old code, so there's like spaces. I think this is okay. Yeah. Let me see if the things got translated. I think they are. Yeah. So now it looks like this. It's so much cleaner, isn't it? Right? This is what happens when you change the language. You see like the top buttons are changed. The numbers are here just to show like which row of the languages it is. But it's so much cleaner. I love it. I actually love it. Alright. And also I think it is the same. Yeah. So good. I'm really happy. I'm so happy. But let me see if yeah, resizing works even. Just in case, because this button, like I was a bit suspicious about the top. Okay, you guys don't see it because of the wait. That's how it's supposed to look like. So so like whenever you resize, it's important for me everything is scaled properly. So like 4x3, something like this, right? That's how the game would look like if we were playing on 4x3, which is fine. This looks okay, right? So UI is pretty important to me, right? Except like you see it, like the text is supposed to be centered over here. Like yeah, icon is perfectly centered. It's just the text, the interact text is not. Probably because I'm not using Actually, yeah, I will fix that. Fine, I'm not lazy. Come on, guys. Who's lazy here? Not me. But I need to change the UI to be its own, like, interface. I think the, interact text is not centered. Oh, I see why I didn't center it, because it's rich label, and rich labels are not... You can't center them like that, can you? Oh, that sucks. Maybe you can. No, I can't. Ugh. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Wait, maybe you can. Maybe you can. Wait. What if you reset this to 0? Oh, I just did it. Didn't I? No, I didn't. What if you put like 0.5 and 0.5? Oh no. Oh, that's not good. What if you put 1 and 1? I can't even see it. Wow. So yeah, that's the problem. The problem is that, like... The problem is, the text is not... Like, the center text is not centered. Because of the way I coded it. Oh well. Okay, I just finished all of the issues. I don't want to do bleeding. Yeah, like I can do it later. I have like a exam in like 3 days, I think. So I'm gonna take a small break by then and then rework on the game again. But yeah, I've done the early May right now, which is amazing. But yeah, all the rest of the code here needs to be changed because it's just all over the place right now, but it's not that bad, but it's kind of bad. I don't know, but I'm happy about the settings though. I'm really happy about that. Very happy. Alright. Okay. I think that's gonna be it for today. I think. So, I know this was nothing special for stream. Wait. Oh. Sorry, I didn't see. There's no what do you mean there's no volume? Oh, in the game. There is volume. I can't believe I missed like 10 messages. There is volume, it's just that I've muted it a lot, so like... Oh yeah, music volume is not here. So you see, there is actually volume, I just muted it. Because, yeah. But the music is the one that I muted the most, and all of the sounds. Actually, I don't like how you can't... It doesn't matter, I'm just gonna fix that later. But yeah, all of the things are now on the top. I like how it's black color too, so it's like kind of matching with the thing over here. Wait, if I full screen... Oh yeah. That looks very nice. I like how this appears. Thank you, AMD. Thank you very much. Here's one bug I can't fix, but I would like to fix, and that one is if you enable VSync while having global illumination. If you turn on a flashlight, the light is just very slow because it's locked on 144 hertz. Do you see how slow the light is? That's just because of the FPS. So if I were to disable VSync, you see my FPS goes up. See how instant it is? That's because of the FPS. That's, you know, the kind of a problem right now. You know, we can do one more if you guys are interested. Looks nice and clean. Yeah, it actually does. I love it. I love how this looks. So it has less notes, less code, less repetitive stuff. Amazing. I love it. So, actually, do you guys think I should do one more thing? I don't know how boring it is going. Okay, it's not boring. It's amazing. But what do you guys think about maybe changing like all of the options to have like its own language thing? Like, if I go to, oh my god, boy, one second. God damn it, Windows, why do you suck? Windows, you suck. That's fine, I didn't have to hide my screen. Okay, so basically, see this file over here? What if I just continue adding things on it? So like, it would I would like translate graphics shadow quality or something. So I mean that's one thing I can do. And then I would have shadow quality, and then right, and then I would just replace text. Is that okay? I mean, I can do it right now if you guys want. Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah? No? Yeah? No? And then later I can totally hire you guys to translate the entire game in more languages. It doesn't have to be strictly these languages. It can be any language, as long as people are willing to translate. Even the warning screen is translated. Look at this, guys. I also especially like that the new line works, because in GameMaker it doesn't in my system. Thank you, Godot. So yes, no, because you have like 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Okay, I'm not gonna count down. Okay, so alright, so here's the thing. I have this website. Now let me just hide the screen just in case okay, I have a Google spreadsheet. Yeah, that's fine. I have a Google spreadsheet for my older games. So this is TCC. So I was maybe thinking to remake it for Monophobia, and that way you guys can contribute to translating this game. But for now it's gonna have simple stuff like literally menus, just menus. I hope that's okay. And then I will make a new Infinland localization tool, because oh wait, message, music. Oh, there is music. Yeah. I mean, the music stopped, but there is music in the game, and sounds and everything. I mean, that's just like in the game, like the ambient music. How many languages do you want to have? Any. Doesn't matter. About that, I'm back. Can you turn radio in the game? Yes, I can. It's kind of funny. I have chat over here. I should have it here. Yes, I do have radio. Yeah, the song that's playing right now is in the game, but I have items here, and this radio in particular has like radio music. Let me just turn off, not turn off, but like, I mean, yeah, turn off. Put everything off except the radio. But yeah, there's radio, and now the song is gonna start. Yeah, literally fire. There's a better beat. Just wait for the for the main song, right? Just listen. Yeah, let me turn on the YouTube music, the funny YouTube music, because it's just kind of ruining it. All right. Okay, listen to this. Wait. Wait. Who let this man cook? Okay, listen. Wait. Now. What? Okay. Say that's the song. Why does the moon look wavy as it moves on the sky? You mean like on the side? That's because of FOV. FOV is set to 90, which is normal for me. I mean, I didn't have like any, like usually games put FOV to 70 or 90. I put it on 90. By the way, this is how the game would look like if you would have 70 FOV. So if I put 70 FOV, this is how the game would look like. Wait, what? Doesn't change anything. What the hell? Okay, give me 1 second. I don't think this is supposed to be like, or maybe I'm setting it to 90. That's probably why that's happening. Oh, nothing's happening. Oh, okay. I have it in my code, changing it to. What? Why is it 100? The hell? Wait a second. What? Isn't 100? It's weird. Oh wait, did I have it like at a higher level the entire time? I just never realized it. Put it at 1000. You can't. The maximum is 180. But it's probably gonna cause problems. Wait, I had it on 100. Oh my. Oh no, I didn't. Maybe it did. Can't tell. Anyway, wait. Does it change the FOV if I change it? No. Okay. Oh, wait. Maybe it does. No, it doesn't. Okay. Something. Okay, it's just the code changing. I thought something else changed. So, okay. So basically, over here, I believe. I believe I have FOV. Yeah, 90. This is the FOV. So if I change it to 70, this is usually what games use. This one. Right? This is what games usually use. This FOV. I don't like it. Oh. I don't like this FOV, but it does fix the glitch when you're looking around. So, kinda, I guess. But I don't like this FOV, it's just too close. I mean, I could change it to reality, but I don't like it. It's just way too close to me. I can also have it like super Quake, so like 120 if I wanted to. So now I'm playing Quake right now. Looks very far away. Things looks very far away. You see like the effect distorts when you're looking around like that. That's just because of the camera. I don't know if there's any way to fix that. Anyway, here's 180. Oh, no, 180. Oh god, I probably crashed again. Yeah, you see, you can't put it at 180, but you can put it at 179. It's gonna make it super distorted. Yeah. Yeah, that's one. Oh, I can see the entire map. That's crazy. And when I'm moving it, okay. When I'm moving, it rotates like everything. I'm in the house. Am I in the house? I'm not in the house. Go inside the house. Yes, now I'm inside the house. But it looks very trippy. Also, when you put it at like a lower number, like 10, everything is zoomed in. Oh god. Yeah, you see how everything zoomed in is? Okay. I mean, the UI doesn't change because the UI doesn't really matter in this case. But 90 for me is perfect because the human eye sees 180 degrees, right? And that's why you can't put 180 because that would mean you would see like everywhere else and it would cause bugs, so it wouldn't change it. Like Godot at least. I mean, any engine shouldn't do it really, but in general, I think 90 makes the most sense. Some games put it at 60. Oh wait, when you drink it, no, like this over here. This code is just, if you're drunk, the FOV changes by 10. Like, depending on how drunk you are, this is amplified a lot. But like since it's in a sinus function, this would never go over -1 and 1. So it would go from 80 to 100 FOV. It would never go to like 150 or something. Even though I could change it with this number, right? So this 90 is the default current FOV. 10 is just the drunk FOV, which I can't change. But it's, you know, I mean, I can add it if you guys want, like in the other, because I don't like FOV. I just prefer 90. Even though even if I play like games like Quake or Doom or stuff like that, I do like 90. In any FPS game I like 90. It's just natural to me. It just like looks normal. Even though like the only not normal thing is if you look at the things in the corner, but that's okay. I mean, for me it doesn't really matter that much. It's just natural, like especially if you like stretch the screen like this. Okay, you guys don't see 2 monitors, but yeah. I mean, the higher this like screen, the weirder it looks, but yeah. I could change it absolutely to anything, but yeah. Or we could add a new setting. You guys want me to add a new setting? What do you guys think? New setting incoming, huh? Yeah? Make this a setting? Should I make it a setting? But the max is 90. It stays 90 because it makes sense. And also you would probably get an advantage. It would be like between 60 to 90. So like, other. Okay, let's just do it. Fuck it. Let's just do it. Sorry for cursing. Alright, so I'm gonna add a new issue. Not a new column. I want to add a new issue. Damn it. New issue. Wait, you can't do it here? Can you? You can't do it here? Come on, man. Wait. One second. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna add a new issue, guys. This is how you add a new issue. You go to issues over here. So it's kind of the same like this screen, except it's actually an issue page. Hello, Gray. Thank you. And we're gonna add a new issue. This new issue is gonna be... okay, firstly add a project to Monophobia. Milestone game functionality. So you can see like the progress bar and stuff, which is cool. Make it a feature. FOV slider. Good sub, good... wow. Good night. Thank you for the sub. So FOV slider, which goes from 60 to 90. FOV drunkenness slider. Oh, hi zone. Okay. Send you push commits. Alright, the newest thing I added is basically new settings, new setting tab. Hello zone. And I'm showing new viewers how I manage this project now. I think this looks much nicer. Also, the first thing is obviously like the tab up here, and the second thing is that these buttons here isn't tied to multiple nodes. It's just like one node. Yeah, it's just much better. Yes. I mean, since the setting is its own node, it's also carried over here. And I'm planning to add 2 new FOVs. For a normal FOV and a drunk FOV. Drunk FOV is just for like which goes from 0 to 10. Default 90. Default 10. So obviously, like if you put FOV drunkenness slider to 0, when you move, the FOV would not change if you're drunk, basically. That's what it does. Alright, submit. Put it in progress and assign it to myself. I don't know if you zone saw this. I mean, I kind of changed how the to-do list looks a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these iterations. It's kind of for myself, but it's fine. I'll keep this in. I think it looks funny. I don't know. Not funny, but like... It looks okay, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Alright. Okay, let's just add the slider. I think it's fair since I just changed the settings, and I think I want to see how things would work if with the new settings menu. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the other settings, and we're gonna put also I could probably change this to this, so it's always like a boolean. It's not a it can't be any variable, you know. It needs to be a boolean. Also needs to be applied. Is that okay? I mean, we'll see later. FOV. Yeah, FOV, and we're gonna have it between... I don't know if I want to clamp the value, or you know what, it's gonna be an int, and we're gonna have a shrunk FOV. It's gonna be 10. These values are going to be used here. Settings, FOV, settings, shrunk FOV. Okay, so we basically just managed that. which is great. Okay, now I do want to add the slider. I'm pretty much gonna use this like slider code in the same way. Wait, did I commit? Oh, I did. Okay, thank God. I was worried a little bit for a second. Okay. Oh wait, I don't have this menu up here. Oops, I forgot to put that in. Sorry. It's fine, doesn't matter. Get an ascending menu, other, margin, 2D. So that's this, yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, first row, we're gonna add it there. Child note slider, each slider. There's the new slider and the minimum value. This is the FOV value. So let's add FOV slider here. Minimum value 60, 90. Value is 90 by default. Is there text again? Oh my god, I forgot. I think there's text. Oh, damn it. How did I do this with audio? I just put like label, yeah, label and slider. Okay, so label, camera, FOV. Where's the icon? Should I? How do I do an icon here? Did I just like theme override? Oh no, I just used the default theme. Okay. Wait, but how did I do that for the input? I think that's it. Theme overrides. Yeah. Okay. That's how I did it. Okay. I could make a new icon for this, like a camera icon or something. But I'm lazy. Oh, no, I'm not lazy. Come on. Wait. Look how great this is. There it is. FOV label. Trunk FOV slider. Trunk FOV label. Trunk FOV. FOV. Field of view. Oh, let's not be lazy. Let's just call it field of view. All right. You make game. I always make game. Yes. Okay, that was a bad grammar. Yeah. I made games, and I still make games, and I always make games. And yes, I do make games. Thank you for asking. Wait. This is wrong. So, okay. Trunk FOV slider. Okay, there it is. But yeah, I've always made games, but I never made a free game, right? I mean, I could see it like 6 months ago or 6 months ago. But yeah, still learning, I guess. Second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Why don't you make videos for one country? You mean mapping videos? Over 3 years, you made videos with countries. I quit. I made a quitting. Yeah, I made a a video on why I quit mapping. That was 5 years ago, not 3 years ago. I think I wanna do game development instead. But when it comes to commentary mapping videos, I also think I'm gonna quit those too. So yeah. Anyway, we have sliders now. Oh yeah, this slider is not right, I think. Wait. Yeah, it's supposed to be from 0 to 10. Why am I closing the game every time? What's wrong with me? Yeah, now it has this chunky feel to it. That's because it's an int. It's an integer. Integers don't have decimals. That's why it's kinda... Yeah. That's okay. Also, I think if I have more settings, I think there would be like a scroll bar or something, but... Oh no, actually there was nothing there. So... I'll have to do something about that later. But yeah, no mapping videos anymore from me. So I'll see. I'm just interested in game development right now. And also, when speaking of videos, I didn't upload for 8 months or 7 months. I don't know how long. I'm planning to upload videos, regular videos, but I am not sure. I'm just not sure like when I'm going to upload the video, but I'm planning to do a devlog series on this game. I won't cover everything in devlogs. It will be episodic, so I think episodes will be like 10 minutes long or something. And thankfully I have commits, so I can go back and document everything. Not everything, but like important bits. Okay, so pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna have a, what? Changed? Value changed. So this, okay, so, FOV slider value changed kind of works. And I'm just gonna copy the code, because I'm very lazy. Yes. But no, I don't want it for sensitivity, I just, oh, okay, I'm just doing this. Okay, well, nothing special. Settings, FOV value, and I'm also gonna do settings needs to be applied. This would not save because I did not include saving, settings saving for these new options. So I will do that very soon. Shrunk FOV. Yeah, that would change. I mean, technically, right? Like if I run the game, I think the game would actually change the FOV, right? So if I put this all the way down, oh yeah, that's zoomed in. Yeah, that works. But it doesn't save. So if I leave the game, I mean, okay, well, the values are oh. Wait, does this count? No, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, okay. It does like save between scenes, which is the main point why the settings thing is used. It doesn't save in settings, but that will be fixed right now, very soon right now. Okay. Just going over here, and I'm just gonna add settings FOV. Welcome back. FOV. We're gonna add a drunk FOV as well. Shrunk FOV. Shrunk FOV. Doesn't really go in line with the rest of the things. You know what? I'm gonna... how do I replace everything again? Replacing files. Shrunk FOV. Shrunk FOV. Replace everything. That doesn't crash. Okay. I love this, by the way. I love when programs like this you can change like every file immediately. Yeah, that doesn't change anything. I mean, it does. It's just like different naming. All right, we have what, saving? Yeah, and we're gonna have loading now. I feel like I do want to have a function because like I'm always using 2 lines here for the same thing. And the function would have like 3 arguments. Actually, I don't know if you can put a variable itself in an argument. We'll see, I don't know. But I feel like this can be improved a bit. Because it's always using these arguments, and I feel like that's just kind of dumb and a bit. But it's fine for now. I always say that. I'll regret it. Okay. Drunk FOV. It's like this right now, right? Trunk FOV. Trunk FOV, trunk FOV. Yeah. Alright, now FOV should be saved. It should be here. Why is it loading so? Oh, okay. Settings. Open. I can do that, just add an issue. Okay, alright. Sure. Oh yeah, I mean, it's fine, I'll just... How do I call this? Otherwise I might forget. Okay, I don't know, like, I don't know what task I should assign you to. I'm just thinking about that right now, I can't think of it. I mean, you did say like some things you would add yourself, like the clipping issue with the items. Or the footstep thing. Make a function in settings. For settings. Settings GD. I mean, I can't say code refactor. I mean, it is code refactor in a way, but like, let's just say code refactor. I don't care. Use less lines. Yeah, I think that's fine. And also, I mean, it doesn't really remove the amount of ifs. I mean, you can't really avoid that again, but I mean, that's fine. But yeah, I really think function should be used. I just don't know, like, if you can put a variable in an argument that like modifies that variable. I think you can, but I don't know how to do that in Godot. That's fine. Okay, I guess I will assign it to you then, and I don't have the code refactor label. Doesn't matter really. I'll add it later, I guess. I will just add it as a feature. Doesn't matter. There it is. Put it to do. Okay. Alright, that's fine. And also FOV slider. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here, I guess. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Don't like look at the dates or anything. It doesn't really matter. It really doesn't. And just put it like that, I guess. It really doesn't matter. I don't know if you can even see the projects. Maybe, I think you can. It'd be possible if there's something like pointers. Is there pointers in Godot? That would be awesome. I mean, you can technically use C++ in Godot, right? Actually, yeah, pointers make sense, don't they? Yeah, oh god. I can use pointers in GD script. Never thought of that. I don't know. Alright, so I think this would work. I'm gonna put it to FOV slider to done if it does work. Like completely. So okay, when I play the game, when I go to other, put it to apply, okay, zoomed in. So I'm gonna leave the game. I saved it, right? Yeah, I saved it. Go back, run, zoomed in. Yes, that works. Okay, now I'm gonna change. Not done yet, no. So the FOV doesn't turn back, probably because of the wait. I should have defaults. I should probably not have this like capitalized. Let's not have that actually. FOV, wait, FOV place. It's gonna replace all of the FOVs. It's fine. I'm just putting like lowercase FOV. It's fine. So it looks like this because I do want to add constant default FOV 90 default trunk FOV. I don't know why I'm adding the default, but trunk FOV 10. Let me remember why it doesn't go back again. But I heard that C++, C# support isn't the best, so GD script is probably the best option. Yeah. I had like a few let's say tests for like terrain and stuff, because I was figuring out how I'm gonna use level building. So for example, here in test items, you see like these small buildings and these blocks. These are not from the CSG boxes. These are from grid maps, and I think grid maps would be a default way to build. I can also shift click, I think, and then control F, yeah, to build. I think can you delete those? Oh, you can with delete. Okay, that's great. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the main way of building. I gotta figure out how to use navigation, because I mean it is a level. I mean it's gonna be buildings, right? And I'm gonna be like rooms. I don't think I'm gonna use props. We'll see, we'll see. But this is in Godot, like this is inside of Godot. But the terrains that I tried to use were using C#, and using C# is much slower in Godot. It's just much slower. Like whenever I run the game, let's say I reload the game, like look, it just turned on, right? Immediately. But in C# it takes me like 5 seconds. I understand the compiling and stuff, but it just like takes way longer. It's kind of like the game is already compiled like a GD script. I don't know how to explain it. It kind of like is that. So yeah, I think GD script should be the main focus. I think it's much easier to work with. Anyways, what the hell did, yeah. It's not sending the... Wait, what the hell did it... Yeah, the slider, yeah, oh my god. my brain just stopped working. I think it's here, actually, because... Yeah, I think it's here. Yes. Okay. Also, I need to add comments here. Other. Is this graphics? Oh, it's fine. That doesn't matter. Okay. I do gotta like reference them, the nodes. Oh, I actually do have them commented. Okay. FOV slider and drunk slider. I think I can select both and then drag, but I'm lazy. FOV slider. So its value will depend on settings FOV. I think that's why that didn't go back where it should have. Drunk FOV slider, value, drunk FOV. C# should be technically faster. Yeah, I do agree on that. But they focus mainly on GDScript, so I think the best option both for now and for the future. That's okay. That's okay too. But yeah, as you said, like C# is not supported that much. But I mean, I do agree that C# is faster. Yes. I think for now, I do kind of want to keep the game a bit lightweight, if that makes any sense, because I do want to change things faster. But yeah, I think C# will do well later. And I think this should be it. I think that would... I think now the sliders will be all the way... No? Wait. Did I bring it back or something? Wait a second. Wait. So I'm gonna put this all the... I'm gonna put this like in the middle. And let's see if that's saved. Oh, it's saved. Okay, great. That works. Okay, then I'm gonna commit. I'm gonna commit this, put this... Look at this, it's gonna close. Come up, close. No? It's gonna close. Bam! It closed. I didn't have to do anything, it's just amazing. Alright, I'm gonna say... Added FOV sliders. Oh yeah, I need to see if... I think it's gonna work anyway, I mean, it's in the code. So if I have drunk field of view off... So if I... Why am I playing like this? I'm gonna load the items, the items room. Let's see if my FOV would change. So my FOV, like if I put this all the way at the bottom, I think you can notice it. I don't think FOV changes, but if I'm put this drunk field of view, I think it would change if I move. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but I think it's changing. Wait, let me get more drunk. I think then the most... Oh yeah, you see, the sun is shrinking and expanding, but if I disable this, the sun should be the same all the time. Yep, yeah, okay, that works. Okay, great. Wait, I missed some things. If I'm not mistaken, they also plan to make GDScript compile to native code instead of being interpreted in real time, so GDScript will be a lot faster. That's actually great. I mean, yeah, GDScript, I mean, that's why it's being compared to Python, because, I mean, okay, not the syntax only, but like, it just is interpreting code, which is not compiling, technically. So, okay, so if they would compile, that would mean if I were to run my game in Windows, it would compile to C++. If I would run in Android, it would run on Java or something. So that's great. That's actually really good. And if they do that, I don't think C++ would be really necessary, or maybe it would. I mean, it would, like, I mean, people would use pointers and stuff. I mean, but yeah, I think that would be great. Like, I don't know if the Who's the main creator? Juan? Juan? I don't know if Juan approved of this, but that would be awesome. That would actually be awesome. Alright, yeah, I got it. Okay. Alright, let's commit this. Edit FOV sliders for normal FOV view and trunk FOV view. Okay, I think this is fine. Oh, I didn't commit the last time. Or did I? Because this is all changed. God. Alright. Changed settings. Changed settings. Menu. We have a... Okay, it won't... I don't know why I like referencing stuff. 2742. Okay, so this is 2742. Okay. Do you have a tab container and cleaned some code and settings? .gd and yeah, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. I'm thinking to increase the limit now before committing. I'm thinking to increase the limit to like 30. I don't know why. Just kind of have a feeling if people want to make it quite crazier for some reason. Wait, why am I going here? Settings. I just don't know why, but I'm increasing this to 30. Actually 20. 30 is too much. And I don't know why. I mean, I just did it. Doesn't matter. And there it is. There was the FOV settings. FOV 60, trunk FOV 0. That's very nice. That works. Later, yeah, I did I add a new issue for languages? Because I do want to translate all of the UI. I mean, the current UI, like, but yeah. And then maybe have people later translate. I think that could be fun. Just to have people be hyped a bit. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna commit this. Push. I think it's fine to make it to the main branch. It's only 2 commits. I commit way too often, but I think it's good practice now that I have like issues right now, so I don't have to. I want to like fully fix an issue, basically. Like I want to fully like complete it, and then I think it makes it more satisfactory. There it is. And yeah, that's done. And one last thing, Zone. Okay, well, the iterations don't really matter at the end of the day, but I'm probably gonna hide all of these iterations if they're done after 19th May. But let's say like an issue isn't complete, I would just move it to the next one or something. So the dates don't really matter. It's just kind of like monthly things, I guess. I mean, you can do any iterations in later dates. It doesn't really matter. Nothing really matters with iterations. It's kind of like a thing I did. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. I think that's okay. I'm gonna end the stream. because I'm just gonna like study right now. I have like a test in Monday. Yeah, this is the end of the stream. Yes, now this is the end of the stream. So I'm gonna study because in Monday I have like a C++ exam or something. Nothing really crazy, but yeah, I need to prepare. It's not an exam, it's more of a test, and then I have an exam later. I need to prepare because I didn't prepare that much, and like working on games is kind of like the thing that I really enjoy. I don't know, kind of calms my nerves a bit. Alright, that's it. Thank you. Goodbye. See ya.